Anybody in property management needs to be on Property Meld for their maintenance because it'll change their business. So I'm Brian Birdy. I am the broker owner and CEO of PMI Birdy Properties, which is based out of San Antonio, Texas. We manage about 1,000 residential doors. Efficiency leads to profitability. But bigger than that, I think the job's getting done faster and them feeling like we care about those things, which we always did, they just didn't feel it, changes things like positive reviews and getting rid of negative reviews. I don't think I've seen a negative review from a tenant that said, I put my maintenance in, nobody wanted to fix it. You know, my air conditioner was broken for days, no one did anything, because they just feel like they're being taken care of through the process much better. So that's great. You'll run a more efficient maintenance process, no matter how big or small you are, through this, because it just guides everybody in the right direction. It's so much easier to just look and know how, I mean, I can look in a second and tell you how many priority 1 maintenance melds are open. And those are emergencies must be cured today jobs. And if I open that up and it says 0, then I know things are okay. When I think back 10 years ago, I'd have no way of knowing. I'm assuming everything's running right, and until it blows up or melts or falls apart, I really didn't know. In the middle of COVID, when everybody got sent home, maintenance didn't change because we had Property Meld. The ease to know that everyone can be informed, and I, as in my position, overseeing it, can just look and see how are things going. That's powerful.